Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google app, then click on your avatar, and now go to settings, and then go to Google Assistant, and then you have to go to Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google feature, and then you have to scroll down and click I agree, and scroll down and click I agree again. Then click next, and click Retrain Voice Match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this option stays on, and then you can go back and go back again, and then click on Gemini, and as you can see my Gemini is now enabled. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google, and as you can see my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.